Hello everyone, welcome to another fun tutorial. Today I'm going to be creating a journal page for the Nomadic Soul Diary Instagram challenge. All the details are in the description box below. To begin with, I've chosen this clock stamp and I'm using black archival ink and randomly stamping onto my pages. So my focus is on the two corners on the opposite pages. Once that's done, I'm going to cover the pages with a coat of clear gesso in order to protect them for further layers of texture and color. Next, I'll be using this stencil from Finnabair with stone effect texture paste from Cadence and adding texture onto my journal pages. Once that's dry, time to add some color. Since it's monochromatic this month, I've chosen 3 shades of green and I'm using Lindy sprays. I'll also be misting them with water and moving them around to add my color around all this lovely texture that I've created. With that dry now, it's time to add some background stamping, and I've chosen 2 stamps and I'll just be adding some texture using black archival ink very randomly on both my pages. Next, I have chosen a few die cut elements and I'm just going to glue them down onto my pages to begin creating my composition. Again here I'm using a clock die cut which goes well with the challenge this month. Next, I also want some MDF elements as my focal elements for the page, and I'm going to quickly color them again using the same Lindy sprays and drying in between each color. I glue those down to complete my composition, and I'm using this Finnabair Golden Sparks acrylic paint diluted with water to add a little bit of golden splatter onto my page. Now time for my sentiment, and I chose this one from a visible image stamp set which says live like tomorrow doesn't exist. So I stamped that using black archival ink, fussy cut it, and I'm just going to adhere it onto my journal page using some double-sided tape for depth and dimension. With that done, this journal page is now complete. I've adhered to the 3 elements of the challenge, which is to create an art journal page, to add clocks, and to use monochromatic color scheme. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Do participate in the challenge to win some amazing prizes, and until our next time, take care and bye bye.